keeps changing, he won't budge an inch. He'd ride lightning and never even flinch. He tips his hat to the ladies and the legends too. Skull ring on his pocket, just like Chrysler do. He loves whiskey and rolling smokes, campfire songs and old man jokes. Long live cowboys chasing gold buckle dreams, pearl snap shirts and old faded blue jeans. Real like cowboys that weather the wind and the rain, like desperados waiting on a train. Those honky-tonk heroes and their six-string guitars, outlaw troubadours beneath those neon stars. Long live cowboys. Well, listen up, girl, your mama learned firsthand the reason they don't call him a cowman. He's a cowboy, he won't always save the day. He'll ride off into the sunset even when he should stay. And the same thing that stole your heart is the same dang thing that's gonna tear it apart. Long live cowboys chasing gold buckle dreams, pearl snap shirts and old faded blue jeans. Real life cowboys that weather the wind and the rain, like desperados waiting on a train. Those honky-tonk heroes and their six-string guitars, outlaw troubadours beneath those neon stars. Long live cowboys. Woo! Modern day real life cowboys. Now he'll never settle down and you can't tame his soul. He was born 100 years too slow. Long live cowboys chasing gold buckle dreams, pearl snap shirts and old faded blue jeans. Real life cowboys that weather the wind and the rain, like desperados waiting on a train. Those honky-tonk heroes and their six-string guitars, outlaw troubadours beneath those neon stars. Long live cowboys. Yeah, long live cowboys.
He's got a house on the hill, he's got a head on his shoulders. He's done real well, it's what they all say. He drives a brand new truck and folks respect him. He knows he should be thankful every day, but in the long dark nights he lies there wondering, is this everything life's supposed to be? And a cold, cold panic tries to grab him. He wants to jump up, bust through the gate and go running free, like a runaway horse jumping fences, tearing up the country trying to get away, running scared, running blind, ripping right through the wind like a runaway horse. Ah, she's got a good heart, she's got a home and family, a man who loves her, kids who need her so. Ah, she had some dreams, but they never quite found her. If she has any regrets, you never know. But in the long dark night, there's a voice inside her saying if she don't start now, she never will. And a cold, cold panic tries to grab her. She wants to jump up, bust through the gate and run for the hills, like a runaway horse jumping fences, tearing up the country trying to get away, running scared, running blind, ripping right through the wind like a runaway horse. Oh, it's always there, deep inside you. The howl of a wolf, the cry of a child, and it rattles your hearts like a bird in the willows. It's always there and always wild. And in the long dark night, you can hear it calling. Sounds so loud, it sounds so real, and you just want to run in a cold, cold panic. You swear you feel the world nipping at your heels, like a runaway horse jumping fences, tearing up the country trying to get away. Running scared, running blind, ripping right through the wind like a runaway horse. Ripping right through the wind like a runaway horse. I got rice cooking in the microwave, got a 3-day beard I don't plan to shave, and it's a goofy thing, but I just gotta say, hey, I'm a-doing alright. Yeah, I think I'll make me some homemade soup. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the truth. It's neither drink nor drug-induced, no, I'm just doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Oh yeah. It's been 15 years since I left home and said good luck to every seed I'd sown. Gave it my best and then I left it alone. I hope they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long in the tooth but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess he's doing alright. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? Sometimes it's lonely, sometimes it's only me and the shadows that fill this room. Sometimes I'm falling, desperately calling, howling at the moon. Tattoo, or take my old Harley for a 3-day cruise. Might even grow me a Fu Manchu. And it's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every